Absolute advantage. Absolute advantage is an economic term that refers to the ability of a country or region to produce a particular good or service more efficiently than another country or region. When a country has an absolute advantage in producing a good or service, it means they can produce more output with the same amount of resources or produce the same output with fewer resources compared to others. This advantage can arise due to various factors, such as natural resources, technological advancements, skilled labor, or specialized knowledge. For example, suppose country A can produce 100 tons of bananas using 10 units of resources, while country B can produce only 80 tons using the same amount of resources. In this case, country A has an absolute advantage in producing bananas because it can produce more output with the same level of resources. The concept of absolute advantage is often used to explain the benefits of international trade. According to the principle of comparative advantage, countries should specialize in producing goods and services in which they have an absolute advantage and trade with other countries to acquire goods and services in which they have a lesser efficiency.